So it's your girl Jada back with it, you feel me? And today I have a short quick tutorial for you guys so I can show you how to get these cute mink-like lashes by KISS Falscara using the multi-pack they have that also goes with the line. To get this natural wispy look of my lashes, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna check out some more videos. Thank you. So first, of course, you want to start on some clean, dry lashes and spool them out so they can be nice and separated. You have the most surface area to work so you don't have to worry about them clumping or anything. So this multi-pack is $7.99 at my Ulta, and for this time, since my first time using the multi-pack, I used the long piece on my outer corner, 2 mediums in my middle, and then the small in my inner corner. You have to use the bond first and then the seal, and then instructions say to be sparingly or use the bond sparingly, and I do about 2 coats. I try not to put too much because of course you don't want your lashes to clump together. I find that just for me, because I have curlier lashes, especially on my outer corner, that it's easier for me to like lift up my eyelid just a little bit just so I can have a better angle at placing the lash piece. And then you can also just use the tweezers that actually come with it and just press it and put it in place. So I really have to get close when I do this, and I probably just salvage what footage I could because I tried to film this same video like 3 times, and so I was like, okay, so this is the most salvageable footage I've got on like my 3rd or 4th time recording this video, and like it was like we're gonna make it happen anyway. So what you need to do after you place all your pieces on whatever eye, you need to press them together. That's something else that was in the instruction. Press them together, just like secure it. But don't worry, because I'm about to repeat the steps on the other eye. Something I forgot to mention earlier that's essential, you want to make sure you place the pieces like right at the root of your lash. Not on your like tight line, but right at the root. After you place your lashes and clamp them together, you want to take the seal and seal them. I'd say to also use this sparingly, because if you put too much and you go too far up on the lash extension, I feel like it makes the lash extensions stick together too. Lastly, you want to take the overnighter, and I feel like this is what makes the lashes last a couple days at a time. Don't mind how dirty mine is, because I definitely dropped it and got all over the outside. But yeah, I feel like you can do this like the first night, and then you can do it every day, but you don't have to. I feel like you do it every other day, and then I feel like it really make your lashes last up to a week, just depending on how well you take care of them, like how you sleep on them and all that stuff. Alright, Alright, so there you have it. Something quick, cute, simple for my more natural girls, because I am definitely a 25mm girl myself, and I was just like, oh, I just wish these were longer and thicker, but they are cute. They look really natural and like I just wake up like this, and for the time, I like it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, go check out some more videos on my channel.